When you have multiple categories in Excel, most people immediately reach for nested if functions. But nested ifs get messy fast. Today I will show you a cleaner, more modern way to handle multi-criteria logic without a single if function. This is a typical business dataset. Each order has a priority level, and we want to convert these categories into numeric codes so we can sort, filter, or analyze them more easily. And here's the logic we want to apply: 1 for critical, 2 for high, 3 for medium, 4 for low, and 5 for backorder. This is how most people do it. A long, nested if that verifies each category one by one. It works, but look at it. It's long, it's fragile, and if you ever need to add or rename a category, you have to dig through this entire formula. And imagine if you had 10 categories. Or 20. Nested ifs simply don't scale. Here's the efficient solution. Switch lets you map each category to a value without nesting anything. It's designed for exactly this kind of problem. Each category is listed once, followed by the value you want to assign. It's readable, it's structured, and it's incredibly easy to update. If your logic is self-contained and you want everything in one place, Switch is ideal. But if you want something even more flexible, XLOOKUP is the way to go. Instead of putting the logic inside the formula, you move it into a small lookup table. In XLOOKUP, the lookup array is the first column of your lookup table, and the return array is the second column of the lookup table, the one containing the codes. Don't forget to add $signs in front of the lookup and return arrays, so they remain unchanged when you drag the formula down. Now your formula stays short and clean, and all the logic lives in the table. If you ever need to add a new category, you just add a new row, no formulas to rewrite. Nested ifs had their moment. But Excel has evolved, and your formulas should too. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.